Ubwansu bw'omuguzi. Isato chiabono botuko manchomo ligrelia nago kwaniria nde onsi asogendrete kobago ko ligrelia emerobelia itoninde nogo semelenga nogenete kobago kwego kia kwemanya nabigo kunyara kobago gwasomia mange ko batakane emerobeli atogenete kobago kwariganiria kuruba ketego ikira chinga kibune chichinga kibune cyo manchomo ligrelia ne chitogo chikoba to konyorera amayenga nyale kobaga gwateka kuruba kete chinga kitoko baterana amona baliki baito mangana abagana tokoba kwebusura chinsemo so kwenekia kabanyare kobago ya sangelia siribo elimo tonyara kobato gusanga amona manchomo ligele karibu sana gurana ndase kagetari gatambe tonyara kobato gusanga amona nganyale koba gagwateka. Nyora gwetera se mitandao ya Facebook na boko ya watia mayaya bunandizi TV News Digital gwetera YouTube Ndizi TV News mwancho moligeria ne website ya www.dizitv.net audio kwenekia unachivicha monelio gichago chera senchera yobo ikirano nigakoro kwa Sara Mumanyi litirane goro kwa Josephat Misingo ko waligane mwancho moligeria linde nyala ko bagingo komanya ngatogenda tako batogo ko waligane nyora boigoli ko lierero chitariki komenye bune ko babo tambe ekiombe keliage ko ligeria ligoliria mabuta na ko renga umwancho moligeria nigo kinyale ko bage ko batoka amagoli amaya ya mabuta seboigo amange abogatie disene petro na bigo amabuta ya anyale ko baga kugwa se chishiringi komi chishiringi sano na ibere na bigo chishiringi isano se omorobrio buno yongo kwaligania mwancho morigelia nyora boigo sekta yobo sombingati sekta yegendrete ko bagego chengera anene okogwa kweligoli elio liama abuta togo chakamaya chinsa isato chabono botuko kurwase bunge yabo basini gwegati yaba MC kurwase bunge eyo banyere ko babagweso kiana ko enana memorandum gose ko enana petition ochasomo chumbe we constituency Innocent Oberia sekeliba muganirie anyara ko bago ni merobelio yamagendro boikirano sechi ward echo chigotoka ime constituency eyo yabo basi bakora wa mono MCA we ward ya Masige East Michael Mutume na boigo olio Masige West Jacob Bagaka nigo banyale ko bako murunganelia ogotekeranirwa kwemerobelio yamagendro asechinsemo ime nsemo eyo yabo basi kati ya bogotaga chwa kwa edara jago soboraro asomaka oyo munyale ko bago goeta eyo ere ensemo elia ya nyama chekolengana baraboni go emerobeli ya butamba ne yobosombe nabigo emerobeli ya serikali yanyale ko bage koirana magega nabigo abanta banke gwetera makongu chinga kibono bakonyara ko bagweta satambe eligo ikirana ase chi ABC chi serikali ase sub county eyo ya nyama chomolikyo itomelere de momanyi na nyara ko ba gago sanga amona intoroboti roko bwate igoro yokweburungania hoko kwanyara ko bagokorokana asensemo eyo yabo basi.
Omo MCA we wadi ya Masige East Michael Mutume bako bwatera nomo MCA o Masige West Jacob Bagaka nigo bakora egekaro nabaliki amangana asoko maganya omobunge wensemeyo yabo basi Innocent Obiri uchakubaga amagendro asichi wadi chonsi isano na isato wancherelia konde gwensi gotayo asekolenga nabarbo nigo wadi ya buitangale asomo jumbe akurwa erenke asege yarorekane konyora chibesa che budget chinyinge gekole ngani wanechi wadi chinde kurwa asensemeyo
na yega togo kwana kulitangani kabisa tiga yamanyikane ng'a tari esegi yokorwania oyorororo omojumbe oito obobasi tariyo segi ende twaregete gose ya kisiasa nokuboria kwa niaba y'abantu baito ayabarengete etobwate chi ward 8 ase bobasi nechibesa tokonyora bune constituency korwa ase national government echire between 170 million to 201 million chigo chase constituency yabo basi na ase miaka ye sita ase ward echo nchibe kirororo na na chinkuru chiabo tichire ngaini chons omosiko obiri akurwa ase ward yabo itangare eyere enkepi in terms of voter registration eitu agete chikura cha last
obogima nabunere botam
ase miaka isita ase ward yeyemo erenke as chonsi ya nyore chibesa chikuru kunga 81.7 million forming part of our petition which is OBCI mono ya CDF a call fair allocation ye chibesa
of resources is done by the number of people who live in that area and the land mass and the poverty index. In the beginning, we could allocate resources to a certain place. When I remnade Mojumbo Basi, he got Konyola Chibas a constituency chinde because he has a vast area of Basigeren in terms of land mass, and they brought more people or population of Basigere.
Nigo bamomochirie aso gutekerania egati ya magenderero ase bunge yo egati yabo ogotabeka ensemo chibesa chechigosori buna chibunge chinde.
The constituency yoke which has never benefited from the sports fund. Tima tinga obiria kare chete kwamba akabwa iskari egati ya bato mo banane wakumupira bweka. Tama tinga ba na youth mbaro muna bana babungite school batakire ko participate in these activities egero bwari boke. And I want to beckon that Masige West, Masige East, na Basingima, rate of crime ya very igoro. No kubakwa igoro is because these youths are idle. Oboke ba ombo chiruchi mata sa bantu ba sports. We cannot allow that, and I want to join Mheshimiwa Mutume and the rest of all the residents of Bobasi in calling out Mheshimiwa Ubiri. We respect you, but you cannot fail to do your role. I want to ask nabantu ba Masige Mbalgerete. Epara Obiri agokora Masige West na East is only one. He refused completely. We talked to him. He refused to add end road kurusti ward ejibere.
Transformer na alika chilichibwata priority areas asatagete chigende akapa central transformer isano akapa chache transformer isato
ase chinga kecho nigo bamomochirie omo OCS onyamache asogotenea okorobekana gwetera anseli uko uchiase omo MCA omasige East ukwogo kageire gochiakoba ankyo iguru yokugwagwe daraja asegeka kyomwaka yomobono ase nonya nabo batebire mbache kogendera no korobekana okwo kwa morembe.
We have a letter here from the OCS of Nyamache cancelling of a peaceful demonstration. No montori keturu yata kire kubwatu abe kume geko gara na kiora cancel a peaceful demonstration. He could have said I'm cancelling an illegal demonstration. He's saying he's cancelling a peaceful demonstration. This police officer who wrote this one in the influence of Oviri is in trouble because again he goes ahead to be he is the spokesperson of the CDF office. He has read the petition from Mutume. He has sought to answer and he is saying the reasons for cancellation comes in due to the facts. Number one, care engineers visited the site. Who told the police officers to come and take care officers? Who asked the police officers of Nyamache, Baba Banyapara, Pachakocheko Sichiparachi Arosi, Usinjira Rosu. We are elected by the people to represent them. Wancha, Totuaromo Jumbe, or Muireko by innocent. The innocent, yes, so one dictionary meeting at Tamai. But then we chose you the way you are. Please start knowing something. And tomorrow, we have no business with the police. We are not fighting the police. We are only presenting a petition. Baga na Constitution Article number 37. Eva erese categorically ninki batakire okora when people present petitions. Our duty will be to gather in Nyamache, chinsa to Chiamambi, to be roro, to eresa manganaya. To ganda bake bridge. To go ikase bridge Mutume tanya ya gachiru. Aba antongo tebane chigaringo tachire. We stop there and to basakwa mandra.
Mambia tume ya Nyamache asogote y'abantu baitekene na gotena boronge. We cannot wait any longer. We cannot y'abantu baito na constituency yaito ya 12 robo tantanu na ntukoba part of that obotantanu goikatorete solution.
Watalia egetaseni kia Ndizi TV elitaliane Mildred Momanyi.
Tugosika motwe okoenana obumanyi igoro bw'echinchira chiekerero goseke digitali ngati yemeroberio ya serikali na boigo ebyombe biri bitali bya serikali bigereta ko babigosegeta asekerenga yokoene kiabuna obumanyi obubanyare ko babo ikerana anenegati yabasai nonye abantu abanene abagenda takoba bakogendera mu nemerobiri yabo ya kiralituko na kekogera ya iralituko lero eskuru gose college elia korista ko igorwa asenchira yobo ikirano ase orosagia ruasu nekabuna enchira ya moyo ikera amagania yabamenyi bensemo eyo elio konyora obumanyi bwechi computer gago kwano mo director bweskuru yo diganyare ko baga koene kiabuna nigera chikobage koene kiabuna abasai na boigo abantu abanene banyare ko bago twara obumanyi obo bwechi semi chi computer buna gutomanyo muri kito Evelyn Hosero.
Eriogo kinie birenko byechisemini gobone skuru ya Korista Training College yegoro bene ensemo ya suneka asaba iboli baboriwe kori kyabana babo.
Asama yitangoro kwa Josephat Mugaka igasuneka ninka se college yenye ya chire kwa Korista Training College anda maene yentonda batebya bayibuli twabere no moko monene aso twale college muneye kiagera ne chiwo konya abana samangana digital kyarabona ya technology asiya ikire abagina nabaga country wichwe karansa tengense eri yakare toleta abana iga abali mbara igamba bwate bumanyi bwekarango kegoro mono elinde abana baito banyare ko bakubri ne skill chingia elinde bakonye kenyoro amane society bono gatomenyete
neskuru ekorwa chikos au asabaro kiwa bekerengo kende yonsi
iya college enkorwa chikos au tubata mangana computer engineering chikosi na chiabo IC3 gumwana nebonye nebata quality form 4 nabagucha iga abuate course ya computer elinde mokonya asubungo wa mambi nabana mbali bali batanya arete ko so university ko college kirimo mayete kinene cyobone bitali bwalimu abana abo nabagucha iga bachakire certificate bagende diploma bagende bakore none degree.
Omo director bweskuru yo Dickson Onyanko nigaine kiabu namba bwatemerobiro au eriogo ikirania amasomo asenchira ebwenerete.
Among the other things which are going to be done in the college includes we are going to have digital learning or digital platform where people shall be able to learn from home and also online physical classes. We have enough facilities for that. Then we are aiming higher to even increase other facilities, increase rooms and the rest. But for now, we have a capacity of up to 150 students per session. So all are welcome to join the school ili wasome pamoja nasi.
Abaigane gati abaria bakonyekire ase skure yega ase bawakangambia mono ase obasemya babere bakonyora
ntitwalinga batanye ngo soise college gabuna abagaka gusubina abana boda boda muche kusoma ikurinde college yega yaitu in fact mwalimu wo otolete ya college yega na umwalimu gabuna otolete school yega gabuna atarachi kuchaka in fact gatubundise te computer kubateka biri tukabata at least baga tukababuna tuamanyire bono buna nchomo gaka ndanyari gukurikira computer rirube na gugutumira masomo tatakerinye rasma tware certificate ya kirasi 12 asama no wade pata ability moreto mwana yakora masomo ega ambira mambiende akonye supermarket yeto chesune kama
egati abaro kiwani go bato yeskuru ya sobo korero buya bwekerengo kibwenerete asibarigania abasae eri kwenyorera obosemya.
Korista College is the best place to be, and as far as computer skills is concerned, I would like to tell you that to join this place is as a student in this place. My experience is that we have the best teachers here who are skilled and they know how to handle students effectively, and the way at which they deliver the content is very good. And I would just like to urge you and encourage you that this is a good place to be. And some of the services that they provide here are good and of high quality, and for that reason, welcome and welcome. Thank you.
Nokuboria kwa ruwe wasabanto kwagerera erio kwenyorera libaga ase skure yo na konyorobo semya igoro yobo tumeki no bumanyi bwe computer asenchira ya moyo wekonya ase amatukaribucio.
Tunahimiza wanafunzi kuja na kujiunga nasi katika shule yetu college ambayo ni ya kisasa.
College ega nebwata mabagaisa ine anyira bwango elinde mwana oganya alkonyora chise mechitu akwanire.
Ngo reporter ya Ndizi TV erietariane Evelyn Osero.
Bimana muliki oito Evelyn Osera sorobotirwa senchira yobo ikirano bono torigererie hali nyareko bakorekana isko yorogongo rwagusiasa litkolya lero murai bwense Dr. William Ruto nyarako bagakora barai bande asomo yagabwa masabo oyibo igo nyarako bagakoene kia aneno kugenda ase omutimuko bobo koreri boyo kabire omo referendum we kanisa ya ACK asoro sagiaro lia ruanyeri bagokwana kurwa ase chisemecho nigo Ruto nyarako bagakogokera ebitambukire serikali ya Kenya Kwanza nyarako bagikwira gati yabo koene kia buna egati yebinto ebibe nyarako bigokina amagori benyereko bigokea ni wagati ya boligori lyo bosie nabo igori amabuta helyo ligendete ko bari koira na nsasa nekirie buna bono nenchira eyemo yaba Kenya bagendete ko bagotorwa egurube yeli goriri nene binto iyenyereko bekwene kiwashinga kichamagega.
Miezi chache ama karibu mwaka moja iliyopita watu walikuwa na wasiwasi mambo yanaenda namna gani, lakini niliwaambia we must make the right decisions. Leo ile bei ya unga ilikuwa 200, saa hii inakaribia 100. Dola ilikuwa imefika 160, saa hii iko hapa 120 something. Na bado mafuta ndio ile ilikuwa pale, mumeona hata leo imeanguka na shilingi 10 just today. Because we are making the right decisions. We are not making popular decisions. And Kenya is going to go forward. Hii Kenya itabadilika tukiona kwa macho yetu. So mimi nawauliza fellow leaders in Kenya, we must focus because we have a historic opportunity to change Kenya. Zile nchi ambazo ziko mbele yetu walitutangulia, leo wamekomesha umaskini. Leo watu wengi wao wanafanya kazi. Leo they are industrialized. They have made progress. It is because they made the right decisions and leaders led from the front. That's what we are going to do. So I want to encourage fellow leaders. Viongozi wenzangu, MCA, wabunge, magavana, maseneta, sote tushirikiane. Mungu ametupatia nafasi ya kipekee kubadilisha nchi yetu.
Chingaki echecho mancho morigerani gomurai bwense nasabiro kwabera chingaki echecho omwancho morigerani gomurai bwense Dr. William Ruto anyarakoba gagosegeta abaraye banyarakoba gochorwa amo nabana inchi erinde banyarakoba kwerwa nako bakorera emiremo aseganga yo gikirania emirobelyo yamagendero yechire kibanyarako bakoriera abakenya chingaki che campaign gati abarayi abwo banyarakoba gwikirana somo yego yuno mokonyi bo murai bwense Rigathi Gachagua yonyarakoba gakoboria oboerania oboikirano anene buburayi ase kanisa eyo asate birimo kungsana okwanyarakoba kwenekiwa sobwango go kukwirete gati yabarayi ko asekegambero banyarakoba bakogaya na senchera yobo ikirano anene isko yekegambero.
Sote tunachaguliwa kwa mapenzi ya Mungu, ndivyo Biblia inavyosema. Na tumechaguliwa sio kutafuta umaarufu. Tumechaguliwa kuongoza na kufanya kazi ya wale Mungu ameweka chini yetu. And it is important for me to say this to all leaders. Kwa sababu naona viongozi wengi wanahangaika, wanasumbuka, wakitafuta umaarufu, wakitafuta kupigiwa makofi. Mimi nataka niwaambie viongozi, you have not been elected to be popular. You have been elected to lead and to serve.
I want to plead with our Christians and the clergy. Please, let the transition from Bishop Kagonda to the new bishop be peaceful and non-confrontational. As your son, please honor us. When we read the papers and we find men and women of God are in court over leadership, we feel a little bit down. The legacy of Bishop Kagonda will be torn into pieces if the news we shall be reading is about a fight over who succeeds him. The Archbishop has explained the Constitution. It sounds very transparent and very easy. I want to appeal to those who have gone to court, please, now that the Archbishop is coming to start the journey for transition, go and withdraw those cases, allow the Archbishop to manage the transition, to give us a new bishop, to come.
Ngati ya baraibo igo abanyarako bagwikirana somayega oyo no mwak bishop we kanisa ya ACK Jackson Lesepit oyibo igo nyareko baga kuburia abarai banyareko bakoba abaigeno asobo koleribwa abo asabo ganyareko bakuburia serikali enyareko bagekorotota nabo igo kubairere getambokero bali bonsi bagenda tokoba kwenekia abo kurumi asobo koleri obunenga nabo igo hanyarako bagego chengerwa nere omo referendo yo onyarako baga kogenda somo timoko bwa emeremo asanyareko gagotogia serikali ya Kenya Kwanza so kwene kinga yanyareko bego ikirania gatimirobelio yamagendro yanyareko bagekoliera aba Kenya chira.
That is a challenge we have every day as leaders. Even the things that are not obvious, people still expect you to know and understand. Things that are not straightforward, you are still expected to have the ability to perceive and dig deeper and process and get the right judgment and view of things. This is what we all need. As leaders in the church, my bishops, as the President of the Republic of Kenya, as the Deputy and all other leaders, as head of businesses, heads of corporations, we need the Spirit of God of discernment and clear understanding of how things look like.
Tushikilia serikali yetu, hii serikali ni yetu. Tulipigania mpaka ikaigia. Ilipoingia tukafurahi na tunazigiza kila siku, tukisikia unga inaanguka kidogo tunasema Bwana asifiwe. Tukitoa hata kodi tunasema Bwana asifiwe, kwa sababu tunajua tukielekea mahali fulani itakuwa sawa. Si ndio? Kwa hivyo sisi wote tufuate president wetu, tumfuate kabisa, kuna kuangalia kwingine.
Tugusika mutwenere omwaziri w'ekisemi Ezekiel Machogoli tukolelero ni ganyarako baga gwikirana somoyega okira omwaka bogwa kangambia mono ase university ya Kenyatta omoyaga boigo unyarako bagwikirani mona babwatani ba ekisemi abanyarako bakorototana boigo gwakira mbiye mono ase university yo asoko gendera ko bage gukora buya asensemo yekisemi gago kwarani go Machogo boigo anyarako bakoreri bagerio nako bainyora nene abana 10 abanyarako bagosirio bogima bwa basomo basokano bwe parani ganyarako bagako basegeta nako batebe banyarako bakoremereria anene chingaki ekibanyarako bagosiria abamwa bogati abarayiboga abanyarako bagwikirana senseme yo no morugi bwo mokonyi bwo morai bwense Dorcas Gashago yiboigo onyarako bagosegeta borokigwa abo banyarako bako bekomokia ase kisemi cyabo bunenkire yamwe kwegendereria asamatuko alemotwe.
Today we are here as a very special day and second confidence in the Lord. When during that fateful day, when I also got the sad news, there were so many things which went into my mind. One, how are we going to travel moving forward? Are we going to move on? Is the Kenyatta University going to be intact? The entire situation was so sad that indeed in my mind I even thought, what is it going to be among the comrades, the students? How is their behavior going to be? And I think from that particular time, I can see the kind of unshakable confidence that you had in the Lord.
And what I can tell you, In all these things, the first thing you should not do, don't fear. You can speak to your neighbor, tell them, don't fear. Don't fear, because your destiny is guaranteed. All you need is to work very hard. You must work hard. God has given you a chance to be in this university. God has given you equal time. Nobody in this university has 27 hours or 26 hours. You have the same time. The chance that you have, and you worked very hard to be in this university. I don't think you came through a back door. You are right here because you are rightfully there. And I would advise you, as you go to do your exams, I want you to remember.
Toska mutwe omurai wekiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka nigo litkolya lero boiganyara ko bakora abarai bandane korwa sobo mubwazimio ase omoyega bwa masabo nyara ko bokolekana sensemo ya Western Me County ya Vihiga gukwana korwa sensemo yo nigo Kalonzo agendere ko bagakoye mo chie serikali asekelia tebire taranyara ko ba igikobeka emero belio yoko gayana gati yemechando abakenya bagendete ko bagoetera nigo boiganyara ko bagako buri serikali nyareko bagikorigia lichi buri abwango lyo kwenekia buna banyareko bakogayana omochando bumugiro bwa banyagitari uyogendete ko bokoleto omochando omonene gukia saba Kenya nene abuba bwa tamarwaire ana boigo babwenete ko bakwenyorera obobwenya igoro yogo ikirane chira cyamagendero nigo Kalonzo boigo anyareko bakogikiria serikali na goteba ngatiranyara ko bagikwira gitambo kero kende gyonsi lyo kwenekia buna chira cyamagendero banyarete ko bakoye bakuri Kenya chinga kichie campaign ngachanyale koba chigo ikirani wanonye naboniganyara koba kwegerera abalemi asikalia tebire niga serikali bonebwenete koba gikubaka na kubwatekana na sara enene yibagende koba bakonyora kubwatekana nembule nyinge gende koba gigotwa naboigo obotumeki boboyo bolia botanchiri ubwanyate koba bokubwato kwa amona ekiganja kelia kia okoena na oboyo obubono bwanyare koba omochando monene hochi gati yabalemi abagendete ko babako bogora nabo ko botumia asogosimike bimeli byabo.
Watu wengi wamekufa kwa jambo hili. Badala ya hawa serikali ambao wanashughulikia mambo ya kukana wao wanaleta matisho. Vitisho haviwezi kujenga nchi. Fear, even biblically, fear ya aina hiyo inaleta uhasama mwingine wa tofauti kabisa. Kwa hivyo tuombeeni serikali hii ili Mungu afungue macho yao waone wananchi wanalia. Hawaoni hiyo. Hawaoni kama wananchi wanalia. Hawaoni kabisa. Naona wakisema ati bei ya unga imeshuka na mafuta yamerudi chini, kwa hivyo wasiwe wanafuata popular statements. Now I want to ask, ikiwa unga imepungua bei peke yake, ufisadi nao, yani unaweza unafanya exchange program, unapunguza bei kidogo ya unga, alafu unasema watu waibiani na kuleta hali ya umaskini wa kiajabu na sura mbaya ya nchi, sura mbaya kabisa, kama vile Eugene amewaambieni. Sasa tunaorodheshwa katika mataifa ambayo hayana uadilifu kabisa in terms of governance. So mambo haya ni mabaya zaidi. Tutapatiwa mbolea na tumesema pale asubuhi kabla ya kuja hapa, badala ya kusema watu ambao wamepatiwa mbolea bandia warudishiwe pesa za mbolea ya sawa, tunasema ndio warudishiwe, lakini pia mafuno, wakati wa mafuno sasa wamecheleweshwa, ni lazima wapatiwe ile gharama ama mavuno ambao walikuwa
Kaukwanase omojega oyoboigo omurai wekiama gia DAPK oyokorukwa yojini wa malwa boigo nigo neragendere koba gakomochia serikali ase okogendera gwechimbwa chobokuru gati yabo bisa abogenda tukoba bakogendereria emiremo ase chiabisi chie serikali boigo nigo nyareko bagoteba serikali ya Kenya Kwanza nigo yasinyirwe anene gukora obokurumi na boigo koboria gose no boibi bwa chibesa ase chi sector chia serikali ngana tebire genderete kwa bage koirania magendero yense ya Kenya magegana boigo kogendera koba na amakabeso ayo chibesa cho chitariko bachiwekirania chira cha magendero buna egenderete koba gekwenekirwa imense ya Kenya.
Ufisadi umefika kiwango Kenya imewekwa sasa kwa orodha ile ya mataifa fisadi ulimwengu mzima. Hiyo orodha inaitwa grey list. Kenya has been grey listed, meaning Kenya is a haven of money laundering and wash business. Hapo ndio tumefikia sasa. Na hawa badala ya kupigana na wafisadi, wezi wanaojulikana serikali hii, hawa wezi wa mbolea ni wezi ama si wezi hao? Badala ya kushika hawa watu kupigana nao, kuna wale wametuibia 16 billion. Wamechukua bilioni yenu pesa ya Wakenya, wakaweka kwa shirika ilikuwa imekufa inaitwa KNTC. Eti wanaenda kuleta mafuta ya kupika, edible oil. Na wamekula hiyo pesa hadi sasa. Wale walikula pesa ya mafuta ya kupika hawajashikwa, hao wezi bado wako kwa hii serikali. Leo tunaanza kuona serikali hii inaanza kutumia vitisho. Lakini tumesema sisi hatutakubali vitisho. Masinde Muliro alikuwa anasema ukienda kwa siasa mambo ni matatu: kuwa tayari kufilisika, kuwa tayari kwenda jela na kuwa tayari kwa kifo. Sisi tunaambia Zakayo, sisi tuko tayari kwa mambo yote matatu. Hatutaogopa na hatutasimama kupigana na maovu kwa hii serikali: ufisadi, ukabila, wizi na
roboti ururwa Eugene wa maru mwancho morigereria na ruro gotoikyo mwerio bwa mwana maiya senchere boikirano chinsa isato chia bono bo tuko chinga kitonyera ko batuko bwaterana mona bariki baito ba mwana maiya elio koneke bana gochera senchera yobo ikirano bya mona boigo na mwancho morigereria aso koneke ngakonyera ko bogosanga aya hamone merobeli himega taseni kiandizi TV chinsa emerongo ebere na inya matuka tano na bere ya wiki merobeli ya ito mwancho morigereria boigo na bogosanga amona into wetera semitandao ya ito ya Facebook Ndizi TV News digital wetera YouTube Ndizi TV News na boigo wetera website ya www.ndizitv.net ronyara kwa kwenekia buna chibi cha moneliogi chagochera senchira yobo ikiraniga kwa Sara Momanyi litera ngoro kwa Josephat Amisi na kwa nairobo tukobya na boigo boligelio bya wemero bya kubwatia imeandizi TV.